Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to change the batteries on a Simplisafe motion sensor. So we've got a Simplisafe motion sensor here, and you can see on the back that this is a two-part cover. You can see this line here where they are separated. So in order to change the batteries on the Simplisafe motion sensor, you're just going to need to push up or down on the sensor so that it separates from that plate that holds it on the wall. So I'll show you that again. Let's say it is stuck to the wall like so. You're going to push down and you'll be able to separate that sensor. Or if you push up, if you've got it stuck to the wall like this, you'll be able to separate that motion sensor, that Simplisafe motion sensor, from the wall bracket, and then that gives you access to the battery. So in order to change the Simplisafe motion sensor battery, all you're going to do is just remove this battery here and replace it with a new CR123 battery. So you want to make sure that you use these lithium batteries. They will last the longest in here. We'll put a link to the recommended batteries below for the Simplisafe motion sensor. Then all you do is place it in here like so and reinstall the Simplisafe motion sensor onto the wall, and you're good to go. So that'll just slide back in place like so, and now you have changed the batteries. Oops, we got it a little sideways there. So it just slides in place like so, and now you have changed the Simplisafe motion sensor batteries. So if you see this ridge from below the sensor, that means in order to remove the device, you're going to need to push up on that motion sensor. Just use your finger to push up on the bottom of the motion sensor and you'll be able to get it off. If you do not see this ridge on the bottom of the motion sensor, that means you're going to have to go the opposite way. So thank you for watching this video on how to change the batteries on a Simplisafe motion sensor. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and click any of the links below if you want to support us.